and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Minecraft Championship parkour map from the Minecraft Championships onto your Minecraft world, and so you can practice, you compare your times, your parkour speeds, like Dream, Techno, any of the other YouTubers that you like watching, and yeah. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come to this link in the description. This is going to be a 1.16 one, and it's almost an exact replica of it. They don't have all of the backgrounds, however, all the parkour jumps and these areas like this look exactly the same, so your times will be equivalent. Now you're just going to click download Minecraft map, and then you're going to go into your Windows button down here, and then just type in %appdata %, and it's going to open up a folder. This is your .minecraft folder, and you're just going to want to go scroll down till you see saves. Now I actually have it here, so I'm just going to remove it. However, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this, and it'll open up WinRAR right here, and it should have a file inside of it. Yep, just like that. Now you're gonna take this file and put it inside of here, and the way you know that you did it right is when you open up the folder that is in your saves file, it should have everything like this, exactly the same. Once you've done that, you're going to want to open up a Minecraft 1.16.1 version, and from there I will show you what you need to do. So just down here, if you're not really familiar, you can change in installations and change versions, but I'm assuming most of you know how to do that. So we'll just wait for Minecraft to open up. Alright, so once Minecraft is open, you're going to want to go into a single player world, and if you know you've done it right, you're going to have this right here. You're just going to click that little arrow, double click, lots of different ways to open up. And in a few seconds, you should start joining up into the world. And you'll be able to see, this is the parkour map for Minecraft Championships. And if I right click this little wool, it restarts a timer, which you can see right here. So you can test your time and just right click it to reset. And yeah, if I turn on cheats, I will be able to show you that if I just go through this, it just continues on through the entire Minecraft Championships parkour, and it actually ends all the way up here. So if this helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.